Good morning and Assalamu alaikum girls. How are you all? I hope you all will be taking good care of yourselves and your studies as well. Girls, today is Friday, 11th December 2020. And our today's topic is preposition. Today we will discuss about the prepositions. Do you know what a preposition is? Yes, you have already read about the prepositions. A preposition is a word that links a noun or a pronoun to other parts of the sentence. Or a preposition is a word that shows the relationship between a noun that shows a relation between a noun or pronoun and some other words in the sentence. So, we can say that prepositions are the position words. What are prepositions, girls? Prepositions are the position words. A preposition is a word that tells us where a person, an animal, a place or a thing is. In this way, a preposition is a word that connects a noun, a preposition. In this way, preposition words connect a noun or pronoun with other noun or pronoun. For example, क्या है prepositions की? Position words की? On, in, under, over, etc. For example, man is sitting on the horse. What is a man here? Man is a noun. And what is another noun? Horse. This is a noun here. And which word is connecting the horse and noun? A man is sitting on the noun. Where the man is sitting? On. On is the preposition. What is on? On is the preposition here. Okay. He is, next, look at the next example. He is sitting on it. Here, he is a pronoun. What is he? He is a pronoun. Is sitting on it. What is it here? It is a pronoun. And where he is sitting on it. What is the word preposition here? On is preposition. It is telling the position where he is sitting. Okay. Next, let us see. The book is on the table. What is the book? It is the noun. Table is the noun. And where the book is? On the table. On is the preposition. Okay. The pen is in the box. Pen is the noun. Box is the noun. And where the pen is? Which word is telling us the position of the pen? In the box. In is the preposition. Okay. Dear students, different preposition indicates different positions. For example, let us see preposition of place, preposition of time and preposition of direction. Preposition of place indicates where someone or something is. For example, Sarah is standing against the wall. Here, the word against is the preposition that is telling the position of the place where Sarah is standing. Okay? Preposition of time. Preposition of time indicates when an event happens or happened. For example, Ali swims on Saturdays. When Ali swims on Saturdays. So, on is the preposition of time. Preposition of direction. It indicates direction in which someone or something comes or goes. For example, Sarah is throwing the ball at them. Where, in which direction Sarah is throwing the ball? At them. At is the preposition of direction. So prepositions are so much easy. I hope you have better understand these. Now I will send you the exercise in PDF form, girls. You have to do that exercise on your notebooks, okay?